Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just want to say this was not the plan, but it's happening. I wanted to show you guys my filming setup. It's not much. This is going to be a pretty short video. Obviously, you see videos all the time of people saying that you don't need much if you are determined. But me, I waited until I had good quality lighting and a good quality camera. You can use your iPhone or you can use your cell phone, whatever you have. People do it all the time. You can use a smaller camera, like you don't need a gigantic I'm also going to show you guys what I use as accessories for my camera, accessories for my tripod. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so first I have my tripod. This, I think I still have the box that it came in. Let me see. Alright, so I'm literally just going to read from the box. I'll keep this right here. It came with a few other things. It came with this little attachment. Basically, you just put it on there. Ooh. Give me a second. Come on. Okay. Alright, so you put it on there just like this, and it'll hold your cell phone. It's got this here, it's adjustable. You just twist this little bar on the side, or this little dial on the side, and you can change the width of it. Like, I guess if you have a bigger phone, a fatter phone, yeah. So let me show you. Put your cell phone there, and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist, and it'll hold it right there for you if you wanted to take pictures of your entire body. It's really nice for portraits. This is the brand, however you say that. And I'm also going to put a picture on the screen of how it's on Amazon. I'm going to put a picture on the screen of my order and the price and everything. So the features that it has: 66-inch lightweight tripod, quick release plate, 3-way head mount, 360 panoramic photography, non-slip rubber pads, and it's compact and easily transportable. And that is true. It collapses. These things right here, these notches, you can just do like that, and it's super secure. So yeah, you can take it anywhere. I mean, come on, it fits in this box. So what do you think? Oh, this is what it came with. So it came with one camera tripod, one tripod bag, 3 rubber feet, tilt bar. I'm assuming that's this, it goes like that, and a phone holder mount adapter, which I already showed you that. I really love this tripod. I haven't had to use it as much because my ring light actually has somewhere that I can, like where you're sitting right now. But I use it for my cell phone camera pictures. I finally found a tripod that's taller than me. Look at that. Obviously it doesn't come put together, but it's small. This is all. Well, let's see. It opens up a little bit more than this. Oh. This is how big it is, and I'll plug it in. This is the adapter right here. You just get an iPhone charger little block and plug it in there. This right here is how you adjust the lighting, the color that you want, or the hue or whatever. and then you can dim it with the minus. The button lights up blue when it's ready for you to turn it on. I'm going to turn off my tripod or turn the lighting down so you can see. Okay. So this is what it looks like. You can make it brighter and you can make it dimmer. Like that. You can change the color. They have this. They have a like this is all I have. They have 3 settings. It worked out really well for me when I did need it. Like, it's perfect. And it's on the cheaper side. I can't tell you how much he paid for it, but I'm sure it came from Walmart. And I specifically told him I didn't want one from Walmart. This is the tripod that I use. It has a little dial right down here. Turn it off, turn it on, make it bright. It brightens the room. It brightens the entire room. I don't have very good lighting right up there, so this is very useful. And I got this on Amazon too, and I'll put that on the screen as well. It's the basic one that you see all the time. It was $89.99. Price goes up and down all the time, but it's just an 18-inch ring light. It comes with the orange lights, the white lights, a little carrying case, which I still have that, and then all the cords. It's so easy to use. So easy to use. There's not much to say about this. It's really tall, and it has these adjustable little doodads right here that you can make it as tall as you want. This is my Canon 70D. I really like this camera. I first found it whenever I saw someone that I won't even name her because I don't like her anymore. I don't support her channel anymore, but I saw her using this camera, someone that I used to watch all the time, and she had the best settings, the best background, the best like a blurred background, and a really good image quality. So I really like this camera. Honestly, it's really simple, but if you really have such a hard time with the camera settings, just go watch a YouTube channel. Watch a YouTube video and they'll tell you what to do. That's what I did. But it's a big one. It's not. Hi. What do you want? It's not super easy to travel with. It's kind of big and bulky. I haven't found a car mount yet, but if you know of one, let me know. I'll probably get one soon if I find one that I like, because I would like to do more outside of the house vlogs, because I do have like day-to-day things that I do. It's got really good image quality. There's a button back here. I really can't show you, but it's got a flip screen. This is amazing. It twists and turns just like that. Like, it's really nice. I find it really easy to use, but I guess, I don't know if that's normal. So I guess I'll talk about my lens. This lens, I don't remember how much it was. I want to say like less than 60 bucks. I'll put it on the screen, like I said. But I believe this is the 50, like it goes up to, oh yeah, here it is. EFS 18 to 55 millimeter Canon lens. It autofocuses for me. I do have a microphone. I'll show you that in a second, but this is basically it. My camera, I got it on eBay. I believe it was like $384. I wanted something affordable. Obviously, I don't have like thousands of dollars to spend on a camera, and I'm a basic bitch, so this is good enough for me, and it'll be good enough for you. If you like this camera, I recommend. I know they say eBay isn't very trustworthy sometimes, but I've never had any issues with eBay. I got a really good deal on it. I was looking for it for a long time. Moving on. This is my microphone. It's a Movo VXR10. I will show everything, and I'll link everything below. I won't forget this time. I don't know why I haven't been using it lately, but I should be. Like right now. It makes everything so much more clear when you're talking. You can also take this off. I take this off whenever I do voiceovers. I feel like you can hear me better when I take it off. So, got this little thing here, this little flippy spinny thingy. You just shove it right into your camera and twist it down and it'll stay put. It's really easy to use again. This goes into your camera. I am so sorry, I don't know the brand. I just know it came from Walmart. This is just what I use whenever I film videos that are closer to me, like cooking videos. I use this. I put it on the countertop. It's amazing. You can hold it. You can hold your camera just like this too. Walk around like that. These are everywhere. It doesn't need an explanation. First thing I ever had for my camera. This I believe was like, I want to say it was like 10 bucks, like close to 10 bucks at Walmart. It was really cheap. Affordable. I mean, affordable. I hate to say it, but again, I don't know about this. But I'll tell you, I saw it in somebody else's video. And basically, I think it's just an adapter. I don't know. But it's got a little icon right here at the bottom of this that looks like a SD card. Like what you put in your camera. So basically, you can transport videos from your camera onto your cell phone. I have the iPhone adapter because I have an iPhone. You put your SD card right in there. Hook it up to your phone, and it is so easy. You just go to your photos, click on upload. I think it's upload. Really, really easy. So that's a camera accessory that I like to use. I'm looking up at my camera box right there, like the Canon 70D. I have the box still. I refuse to get rid of the box. I like to keep boxes. So I actually think that was everything I had for you today. Like I said, short video, small filming setup. Also, I painted this wall. Me and my boyfriend painted it so that I could have a brighter, it brightens up the room just a little bit more. And it's a nice little background for me whenever I film makeup tutorials and whatnot. Let me grab all my friends here so we can say goodbye properly. Thank you for watching. I do recommend all of these products if you're just starting out. Maybe not the actually, you know what, I recommend all these products. I was gonna say the tripod is a little bit more expensive and the camera, but if you're saving, you can afford the camera. Like, it's okay. It took me a minute to save everything up, but I'm a very cheap girl. And I can admit that. All of this stuff has worked for me, and it will work for you. If you're wanting to start your own channel, and it can be much easier than this too. Like, just ask anybody. You don't need any of this stuff, but if you do want it, I'll link everything below. And I guess that's all. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.